Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about the sociable lapwing. This is the sociable lapwing. It is a species of plover that is found quite widely in Europe and Asia. It is heavily migratory, so it doesn't have an exact specific range. However, it does breed in the plains and steppes of Kazakhstan. And then when it's done breeding season, it does migrate very widely through other areas of Europe and Asia, largely throughout the Middle East. Now, despite its very large range throughout pretty much the entirety of 2 continents, it is classified as critically endangered. This is due to the fact that the population is still heavily decreasing currently, and although we don't have exact estimates, we do have an approximate count of how many birds there are, which is currently estimated as over 10,000 individuals. However, in bird terms, that is still a very small amount, and due to the heavy migration, it is very difficult to get an exact population estimate, so it could vary dramatically. Now, recent population studies have come up with the fact that there are quite a few more individuals in the species than previous thought, which is a good thing. It shows that these guys aren't quite as endangered as previously guessed at, but it still doesn't mean that they are safe. They are still in danger. Now, this is due to multiple factors, such as habitat loss, specifically of the steppes where they breed and raise their young, as well as disruptions to the migratory routes that they take every year, and kind of the main cited danger is illegal hunting and poaching of these birds while they are migrating. It is illegal to hunt these birds, especially during migration season. However, people still do that, and that is one of the main reasons that the population is still continuously decreasing. Now, interestingly, studies have shown that the chicks and eggs of the sociable lapwing have an actually rather high survival rate, and the population decline comes from the adults. So instead of the breeding grounds and areas where chicks are raised being threatened, the main focus of the conservation should be on the adult migratory routes, so the adult birds have a little bit higher survival rate. There are currently studies and conservation acts for the sociable lapwing being put into place to help better protect these migratory routes, so hopefully in the near future these birds will have a little bit better protection for when they are doing their yearly migrations.